Holy. Hi, I'm Josh, and here's the story behind the clip. So first things first, I need to say the bird is fine, but more on that later. My wife and I went to visit family in Colorado, in Snowmass to be specific, which is probably one of the most beautiful places in America. We decided to take the gondola up to the top of the mountain, check things out. So I figured I'd get some B-roll when I was up there, maybe a few shots of the family. Here's myself, my wife, and her mother. Oh, it's adorable. Anyway, what I really wanted to get was a good picture of Maroon Bells. Anyway, I'm flying towards it. My wife and her mom are spotting for me. It's a gorgeous day. I'm looking down, making a few adjustments on the controller, and they both at the same time say, "What's that?" Now there are a few things you never want to hear when you're flying, and that's probably one of them. What's that is never good. So I look up, I don't see anything. I say, "What do you see?" "I don't see anything." And then I hear bird and big bird all at the same time. So my heart starts pounding, right? Because if this drone goes down, the drone had minimal scratching and that's it. I do think the bird will think twice about attacking anything with four propellers that sounds like an angry beehive. And I learned to wear diapers when flying in nature, just in case. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the story behind the clip.